Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we're here at Bangkok, Thailand for the launch of the Galaxy A series smartphones. So yes, these are smartphones and one of them is the Galaxy A20. Actually, this is the specifications of the Galaxy A20, so it's a kind of an entry-level smartphone. We still have the A10, which is the most affordable of them all, but the Galaxy A20 features a 13 megapixel f1.9 camera, a 5 megapixel f2.2 camera, and then there's the 8 megapixel f2.0 camera. Of course, on the front, we got here the 6.4-inch HD Plus Infinity V display, which is Super AMOLED display. We got fast charging, got 4,000 milliamperes of battery, and the RAM comes in 2 gigs or 3 gigs, depending on the country, on the variant of the country. And then of course we got the 32 gigs internal storage, a micro SD up to 512 gigs, and of course an octa-core processor with a dual 1.6 GHz plus hexa 1.35 GHz. And of course we got here the fingerprint scanner at the back. So basically this is an entry-level smartphone, but despite that we still have the Super AMOLED display, and surprisingly we also have the Infinity V display. Actually they have a lot of Infinity displays, but the Infinity V features this V-like notch, so they also have the Infinity U and the other Infinity displays. But so far for Galaxy A20, this one is pretty good, and surprisingly, despite its affordable price range, we're on the we still have the fast charging and the 4,000 milliamperes of battery. Well, when it comes to the build quality, well, it isn't the best one, but of course Samsung has to make some compromises to make or build this smartphone. So for example, we got here a glossy back, which is still vivid and colorful, which is the aim or the vision for the Galaxy A10 and the A20. We got here the coral color, and I actually like the color of this one. So yes, we do have a glossy plastic at the back, but it doesn't feel cheap. Again, the ergonomics is just fine with me, as we got the curves here on the sides, we got the fingerprint scanner here, and of course the Samsung logo, if you don't notice that one. Then below, we got here the headphone jack, and of course the USB-C and the speaker grill. We also got here the dual lens camera, so you already know the specifications of the smartphone. So overall, the Galaxy A20 is a really nice smartphone. We still don't know the price of this smartphone yet, but for a smartphone with a Super AMOLED display, an Infinity V display, we got a dual lens camera, in which one of them is an ultra wide angle lens, and of course a dual plus hexa core processor. We're still not sure about the processor of this one, but I'm pretty sure that this one is Exynos. But yeah, that's the Galaxy A20, and yeah, see you guys again on my next video.